Defining the premium off-road segment, the 2019 GMC Sierra AT4 is now available with the all-new Off-Road Performance Package. The Off-Road Performance Package adds factory-installed performance upgrades that bring additional horsepower and purpose to the Sierra AT4. The Sierra AT4 Off-Road Performance Package includes 6.2-liter V8 engine mated to a 10-speed automatic transmission, 18-inch machined aluminum wheels with Goodyear Wrangler DuraTrac tires, catback performance exhaust system, performance air intake. Thanks to these additions, the AT4 Off-Road Performance Package delivers up to 435 horsepower and 469 foot-pounds of torque. Increases of 15 horsepower and 9 foot-pounds of torque over a Sierra equipped with a conventional 6.2-liter V8 engine. The 6.2-liter is manufactured at GM's Tonawanda engine plant in New York and was recently named the world's 10 best engine for 2019. The MSRP for the Sierra AT4 Off-Road Performance Package is $4,940 and is on sale now.